when you receive the meter, you find that the reading is not 0, you can first adjust the center knot, okay, adjust until the unit to 0, okay, to 0, okay, then you start to calibrate. When you on the meter, then you touch, you find that the meter will be give some answer, okay. Sometimes if you adjust the meter, it's more than not in the 0, then you need to use the another ohm adjust to adjust the unit until 0. Then we're done.
Test again.
Test again. In 0. If not 0, then you adjust again.